Bonjour. Donc, ça c'est les tâches que nous avons fait à ce point. So these are the tasks we have done up to this point. So the idea behind this is that you can create your own story. It can be about absolutely anything. You could write a superhero story. You could write a fairy tale story. You could write a true story. You can write any type of story you want. There is no restriction on what you can write. At this point, if you can't think of your own story at the moment and you would just rather write about a different TV show, movie, or book, you can go ahead and do that. So maybe you can't figure out what you would want to write for your own story, but maybe your favorite TV show is Walking Dead, or your favorite movie is Iron Man, or your favorite book is Harry Potter. You can write and answer these questions about either a movie, book, or TV show that already exists, or you can work on creating your own if you feel ready for that. So I'm going to go over the different questions that we have so far under the different categories. So we're going to start with les caractères, so the characters. So for the purpose of this, just pick one character, any character, either your own or from the show, movie, or book. So, est-ce que ton caractère est un animal, un humain, ou un objet? So, is your character an animal, a human, or an object? So the way we respond to this question is right underneath. So, mon caractère est, and then you just pick an animal, un humain, ou un objet. Which one? So maybe mon caractère est un animal. Mon caractère est un humain. Mon caractère est un objet. So either one based off of what you've chosen. Le deuxième question. Quel type de vêtements est-ce que ton caractère porte? So what type of clothes does your character wear? So you're going to start your sentence just like it is on this slide here. Mon caractère porte. And then there's a list as well on this slide. So is it un pantalon? So are they wearing pants? Un chemise, a jacket, une robe, a dress, un jupe, a skirt, des chaussettes, which are socks, un jean, which are jeans, des chaussures, which are going to be shoes, un t-shirt, which is just a t-shirt, un ceinture, which is a belt, un veste, which is more like a sweatshirt jacket, an écharpe, which is a scarf, ou un casquette. Now, if there's a word that you need that's not on there, you can always message me on Edsby or Teams, and I will find the translation for you. Troisième question. Qu'est-ce que ton caractère fait? So what is your character doing? It can be something they do at just one exact moment. It can be something that they do a lot of. So does your character stand a lot? So mon caractère est debout. Are they squatting? So the word for that is accroupi. So mon caractère est accroupi. Are they sitting? So if they are, you would say mon caractère est assis. So it doesn't have to be everything that they do. Just pick one moment to describe with this question. Question numéro 4. Qu'est-ce que ton caractère aime faire? What does your character like to do? Now, I don't have any additional words for this slide because you can just message me with what your character likes to do in English, and I'll provide you with the French word for the Microsoft form. So it could be a school subject. It could be a sport. It could be just a hobby that they do. So maybe mon caractère aime faire du basketball. Ou mon caractère aime faire l'anglais. So they like basketball or they like English. Anything. What does your character like to do? And so for that one, just message me with the word. The next one is les émotions, and we do this with comment ça va. So hopefully you can recognize some of these emotions with what we've learned through comment ça va. So, quelle émotion est-ce que ton caractère sentir? And sentir just means feel. So, what emotion does your character feel? So you just start the sentence with the little sentence starter there. So mon caractère sentir, and then you just pick the emotion. So are they contents? Est-ce qu'ils sont tristes ou fâchés? Qu'est-ce que ton caractère sentir? Et la dernière question pour caractère, so the last question for character, qu'est-ce que ton caractère n'aime pas faire? So what does your character not like to do? So mon caractère n'aime pas faire. And then once again, for this one, you can just message me with what your character doesn't like to do, and I can help you translate the sentence for the Microsoft form. So once you've thought about these questions and you know exactly how you're going to describe just the one character you pick, either from your own story or another movie, book, or TV show that already exists, you're going to head over to the Microsoft form and go ahead and do the Microsoft form for les caractères. So I'm going to end this video here and do another one for l'histoire so that this one doesn't get too long. But hopefully this helps and we can get that form all completed.